Good morning, YouTubers. It is now the 21st of February 26, and we are out loading some barley grains into our own trailer because we've got a seed processing lorry coming next week to clean up our spring barley seed. And we have cleaned it up ourselves in the past, but our Heath Robinson fix-up doesn't really get it good enough for the drill, especially this year, because the grain seems to have quite a few flints in it, because the combine had to go quite low because the barley was quite brackled, because it's quite a high yielding crop. So we can't get the flints out, so we've got some professionals coming in to do it next week. It's now the 24th of February, and we got Agri mobile seed dressers on site cleaning up the seed. Tapping about, banging about, it's the flints going up the auger. Not good for augers. But we've got to get them out somehow, otherwise it'll damage the drill. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the seed cleaning. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.